Right, so this is how to edit the vacancies page. The first thing you'll need to do is click on the two links one of the two links to get to the admin control panel. In this case I've clicked in the link for the realeducation.org website, put in the password that I emailed to you, again, and this will pull forward the control panel. Now the first thing that we need to do is find the vacancies page, and the first step is to click on the pages button, and that will pull forward a list of all the pages on the site. And secondly, find the vacancies page in the list. If you can't see it in that list, the alternative is just to do a quick search at the top to search for the page that you want to edit. And I should pull that forward. There we go. Now you can either click on vacancies or click on edit. Either will get you to the same place, and that will then pull forward the vacancies page in the editor. And it's very like a regular word processor. You've probably used lots of things like this before. It's got a small toolbar, the title of the page, and then the content below. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the details for the teaching assistant just here. So the first thing that I'm going to want to do is put in the vacancy name, and you'll notice that this text is larger. So I'm just going to go down and then copy and paste the text from the actual website. Like that. Okay. So there we go. Now, one thing you'll notice is that the bullet points are not very good, so they've got asterisk and then a space. So that I'm going to go through get rid of all those. By deleting them. And highlight the list and add bullets. Just double check that. Put a full stop at the end. So there we go. That's the page largely updated. What you can then do is preview that with the preview changes button, and it'll open the page as it would appear on the website in a separate tab. Have a scan through. There we go. The only other thing I want to add is this section. To apply for this vacancy, please click here. So I'll just copy it from the functional skills tutor, go back to my editor tab, add the text in like that. But remember, this link's going to go to the functional skills tutor, so the first thing that I need to do is break that link that exists by using the remove link button. I'll then get the address of the teaching assistant vacancy, and insert the link, paste that in, and I'll check that box so that the link opens in a new tab. Add the link, preview the changes, and that will refresh in your browser tab at the top. So this is when published how the page would appear. Seems from that through, so I'll just refresh that. And I'll test the link. So it's opened in a new tab. The link is fine. Everything looks good. And I can then publish the page by clicking the update button. Now to view the page, the quick way is just to click on the link to the top left. That should open the Real Education page. Tab. I can go to Vacancies, and check that the vacancies are good. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to edit this page, and I want exactly the same on the Real Independent School site. So for that to happen, I'm going to have to open the admin control panel for the Real Independent Schools, and on my desktop I've just got two icons, the two shortcuts. This one will take me to the Real Independent School control panel, and again I'll have to log in to this separately. There we go, and it's exactly the same user interface as the Real Education control panel. And again, I'll just have to find the vacancies page by clicking on Pages first. Find vacancies and just click on the link. So I've now got two control panels open. This one for Real Education and this one for Real Independent Schools, both on the vacancies page. So what I'll do, I'll just delete the entry for the teaching assistant on the Real Independent Schools, and I'll show you, once you've done that page, you can just copy the text straight from one page to the other. You can do this for the whole page or a section. Let's check that. Preview it. Looks fine. And then update. Now when you're finished, you can obviously log out on both sites. and that should take you back just to the static page. There we go.